on this unit from CurlyMe. The one I'm wearing right now is their 28-inch water wave highlight unit. It's their new M cap. So the lace is from 9 inches in the front and 6-inch parting space going towards the back. It's basically a frontal without the ear tabs. I've been wearing this for about a week, so this is a true honest review. It's not just straight out the box. I've been wearing it and I've been loving it. So y'all stay tuned for the details. So I do love the construction of this cap. Here goes the combs. And you just slide this in and out like that. Now that it's on, I'm gonna hook the clips in the back and just push them in. And there's a little comb right here. So I'm just gonna hook that underneath my wig cap and press it in. And do the same to the other side. I really didn't do anything to the wig. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I just put some makeup on the lace and the wig cap. When it comes straight out the box, I've seen some people just put it on their head, but do not do that. Like, the curls look so much better and healthier after you wash them. Well, you know what? I didn't even wash it. I just co-washed it. So I just used conditioner with silicone mix, and it just really made the curls pop. And I air dried it, laying the hair flat. Curls just look so much better when you lay curly hair down flat to dry. So anyways, this is the hair just after being washed. I do have real edges, so you can see my edges right here. It wouldn't be so bad if my real hair was the same color as the wig, but if you have a big forehead, like, this will be perfect for you. I don't have a low hairline necessarily, but I just do have edges. Like, my hairline is not super low, but wind blows, this is what you'll see. And the lace goes from here, basically almost from ear to ear. So basically it just doesn't have any ear tabs. And I absolutely love this. Like, this is the M cap wig. When I tell you, after I've been wearing it for a week, and just because I really want to test it out. And I don't like when people make reviews and they haven't even worn the hair. Like, of course the hair is good the first day you have it. I'm gonna insert the clip from when I co-washed it. It didn't have a lot of shedding. This is just washed and air dried. I didn't put no oil in it, no products. And the curls are really, like, I could run my fingers through it. There's no tangling. The back is not napped up, even with no product or anything. So I really do like this wig. Like, so far, this is great. And the best thing I like is that it's literally actually glueless. Like, it's melting. It's melting with my skin. And I think it will look even better if I bleach the knots, because you can still see the knots. You see them? I just didn't want to do it before the video so y'all really can see how it's going to come. So yeah, these are the ends. They are kind of straggly, so I'll probably cut off, like, this is 1, 2, 3. So I'll probably cut off like 3 inches of the ends, because I just feel like it looked like dead. So yeah, we gonna do that. If I had some scissors, I just kind of brush the ends out. Alright, just put off all of that. And then of course when you wet it, it'll look better. I'll just do both sides. oily custard. It's probably like a quarter size. And just kind of rake it through. Definitely get the ends good. And the secret to getting your hair defined is the damming brush. But wait, the hair a little bit more. The hair gotta be wet so the damming brush can slide through. But and y'all, when you use this Miss Jessie's, like, you just gonna have to put water on the hair to like reactivate it the next couple days. I feel like with mousse, you gotta keep adding mousse and keep adding mousse. Like, mousse don't last. Okay, y'all. So this is the wet side. And this is the dry side. Let me know in the comments which one y'all like, which side y'all like better, the wet and defined or the big side. I'm feeling the big side, honestly. It's just doing something. But of course, when this side like air dries and stuff, it'll be like this, but like more defined and more tamed. I don't like when it be too flat at the top, so we're just gonna push this back. We need our Kara wax stick. You just get this from the beauty supply. And we just gonna put some in the front. Do I want to do baby hairs? We might do some baby hairs. We might do some baby hairs. See, y'all, that's the only thing I'm talking about, because I got real edges, so my edges be hanging out. But normally I shave them, so it don't bother me too much, but you know. Okay, what's going on? I did do me a little baby hairs to just cover up my real edges on the side right there. So I'm gonna just put some LA Girl Pro Concealer on the part. You can see the wig cap through it, just cause it's HD, so we'll just add a little bit of concealer. On top, I'm gonna just add some of this hair polish. I don't like to wax stick the top of curly hair because I just feel like real curly hair don't be flat at the top. So I'm gonna just add this like at the roots and at the top. Let's see how it looks if you pull it up. Let's see, let's see. How does it look, guys? This is pretty much it for the review. I'm loving it so far. The only cons, as I said in the video, would just be the ends. I probably cut off like 2-3 inches at the ends, but look, they look so much healthier and bouncy now. So it's like essential. You gotta clip the ends. Like, don't be keeping no raggedy ends. Let it go, sis.